Lima November, Yankee Delta Mike.
Lima November, Yankee Delta Mike.
Lima November, Yankee Delta Mike at GR parking. VFR to Notodden, negative flight plan. Request taxi for departure. Ready to go, no run-up needed.
Lima Delta Mike, Roger, squawk 3632.
3632, Lima Delta Mike.
Lima Delta Mike, QNH shift 1013, taxi to holding point Whiskey 3.
1013, taxi to holding Whiskey 3, Lima Delta Mike.
Hotel Charlie, are you ready within a few minutes?
Within a few minutes, we're going to be ready, Robbie.
Hotel Charlie, line up in 36.
That's the big one on the side,
Top down, Lima to Lima, request departure, Yankee 36000.
Lima, hold position.
Hold position, Lima to Lima.
Lima Delta Mike, hold short on the runway 36.
Holding short, 36, Lima Delta Mike.
Lima Delta Mike.
Mike, svarar.
Lima Delta Mike, det kommer en dash opp i målet, vil at den tar Whiskey 3. Hvis du kunne den knappe venstre sving og få taxa Whiskey 3 sydover til holdeposisjon Whiskey 2 i stedet for.
Kraft venstre til Whiskey 2, Lima Delta Mike.
Takk skal du ha. Videre 485, vind calm, runway 36, clear to land.
36, clear to land, videre 485.
Lima Delta Mike, line up runway 36.
Lining up 36, Lima Delta Mike.
Videre 485, Whiskey 3, stand number 1.
Whiskey 3, stand 1, videre 485.
Lima Delta Mike, wind calm, runway 36, clear for takeoff, left turn for Notodden, 2,500 feet and below.
Clear for takeoff 36, left turn 2005 and below, left turn heading Notodden, Lima Delta Mike.
Python 3 Yankee, join fine runway 36.
Joining Farmer, runway 36, Python Yankee.
Lima to Lima, Yankee 36 out, clear for takeoff.
Lima to Lima, Yankee 36 out, clear for takeoff. Lima to Lima.
Proceeding company will make a left turn and wind is calm, runway 36, clear for takeoff, and when airborne contact flies.
Runway 36, clear for takeoff, and when airborne contact flies. Proceeding traffic, Delta Lima to Lima, downwind, Yankee 36 out.
Roger Lima, Yankee 36 out, clear to land.
Clear land, Yankee 36 out, Lima to Lima.
Lima Delta Mike, for flight information, contact Paris 134, that's 105. Ha det bra.
13405. Ha det bra, takk for deg. Paris, Lima November, Yankee Delta Mike.
Lima Yankee Delta Mike, Paris.
Lima November, Yankee Delta Mike, just departed top, VFR to Notodden, negative flight plan. Request to enter your control zone, 3005 and below.
Lima Delta Mike, identified, enter flight estimate 3,500 feet, below QNH 1012.
1012, clear, airspace 3,500 below, Lima Delta Mike.
Lima Delta Mike, Notodden og bye-bye.
Over to Notodden, bye-bye, Lima Delta Mike. Notodden information, Lima November, Yankee Delta Mike.
November, Yankee Delta Mike, Notodden, hello again.
Hello again, I am currently approaching Notodden Bridge at 3005 and inbound for full stop.
Lima Delta Mike, roger, runway 30 news, wind 170 degrees, 2112, H 1012, and what's your class?
1012, Lima Delta Mike.
Lima Delta Mike, report on fine.
We'll report fine, Lima Delta Mike.
Lima Delta Mike, wind calm, runway free.
Runway free, Lima Delta Mike.
Notodden information, tower speed under 6 correct. We're currently 6,000 feet from going to Cockpit.
Pilot P96 Quebec, Notodden information, good afternoon and roger, traffic is a light aircraft on short final for 30 and wind calm, temperature 12 QNH 1012.
Copy traffic and can take on the weather information there about 396 correct.
Pilot 396 Quebec, wind runway 12 in use, wind calm, temperature 12, cab okay, and temperature 12, 2.2, QNH 1012.
Copy traffic. traffic, Yankee, Corby, weather, and KH 1012 for pilot 396, correct.
Inte så bra.
Pilot 396, correct. Attempted will be a localizer approach for runway 12, followed by a missed approach and upwards directed to both.
And that's 396 back, Roger. Report, ska vi holding top eller?
Negative, we're going straight into base turn for the Echo pilot 306,